Hello everybody, this is Brian Gogarty, and I'm about to take you for a walk and I'll show you some really interesting walk that I use and take quite regularly. And I'm just going to walk towards the entrance of what is called Frewins Walk. I'll walk towards it slowly so you can capture the atmosphere here. And now what I'm going to tell you a little bit of the history of how this walk came about. The name you see on this sign is Frewins Walk, and that is the person that created this walk and set about doing it. He approached the council about 20 years ago, and his name is Geoffrey Frewin. And there's the sign, the Littorall Rainforest Regeneration Project, Great Lakes Community Resources, sponsored by Friends of the Park. And Geoffrey Frewin was the driving force behind getting this walk for the people of Forster. Now I'm going to take you through slowly. There was nothing here, and people only could use the road, which is just to my left here, and couldn't get in, and the traffic was dangerous. So he set about recruiting volunteers from the community and getting this facility going. Now here's a little lookout which I'm going to take you down quickly, and you can see the ocean, and in the background I think it's 9 Mile Beach. You can see it right round. Now I'm taking you down to the point, and you can see what a beautiful view we see. Show you around. This is Pebbly Beach and the point here. I'll take you back in. See how the seats are, how well maintained it is by this Geoffrey Frewin's group. Here we come. Now as I walk, I just keep my camera moving, and you can see the road is quite close, but now I'm coming into a little area here which is Ensdorf, and we're coming down now into another interesting little spot. You can look down there and you can see the cliff and how pleasant it is to walk through. There's the road which I told you about, which is a bit of a danger. Now this is the little thing that the volunteers did. I was one of those volunteers that spent a few hours every Friday with Geoffrey and his group. I think I put in a few hours each Friday for 2.5 years, and it was quite a very active little group, and Geoffrey was the main work and driving force in behind it. Here we come. through now. The lovely view that is. Coming back through now, I'll keep moving. We're going in through a lovely thick area where when it's very, very hot, which can be here in the middle of summer, you can come up here and you can be refreshed by the cool atmosphere that these trees and this little rainforest creates. The trees, kookaroos, and many different species of gums, which are very good. I'll take you through a bit further. Keep going. There you go. That's how thick it is. If it wasn't for this little walk, we would be missing out on this facility, this beautiful area that we wouldn't be able to have access to. Here we go. We're coming down now into another area where we can stop if you would like to and have a little quiet moment with looking out onto a beautiful natural scenery. Here we come. This is a little area here which I remember quite well helping to create with the group, and there are some seats here. As I explained, you can sit and have a lovely time watching, appreciating this beautiful scenery. Here we go. People use this walk very regularly, as you can see. Here we go again. Just the Littorall Rainforest Regeneration Project, sponsored by Great Lakes Community, Friends of the Park. What a terrific thing to be involved in. Creating something like this, or helping to get it done. Here we go. This is nearly towards the end. We're coming down towards the steps onto what is called Pebbly Beach. There's another little spot here that people can stop, and there's a nice little track through. There's the little benches there. We'll track through going into the rainforest onto the road. Here we are, coming around now into, where do we go? There's the beach, or there's what you call Pebbly Beach. Okay, I will just say a few words, and that I thought my time spent with this group was very enjoyable, and was very interested in the different species that are here, and Jeffrey and his friends were able to tell me the names of the various groups. Okay, I'll shut off now. Catch you later on. Here we go. I'm going to say There you go, that's Pebbly Beach. I'll just take you down to the bottom of the steps and turn around. There we go. What a spot, eh? What a lovely, lovely place. Here we go. There we are. There's a little sign. Frewins Walk. These are steps that take you right up through. And I can tell you, we certainly appreciate what Jeffrey Frewin and the group and the community helped to create. That's it for now. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.